Hello and welcome back to 3droundhouse.com. I'm Patrick and today I will show you the navigation in Blender. If you have a mouse with a wheel between the two buttons, it's really simple to navigate in Blender. You just have to press the wheel, then you move your mouse, and as you can see, you have access to any part of your model. The top, the bottom, the right, the left, any part you like, you can access it. If you want to zoom in or zoom out, again you use the wheel, you scroll in one way to zoom in and in the other way to zoom out. It's that simple in Blender when you have a mouse with a wheel. Another way to navigate in the 3D view in Blender is to use the numpad of your keyboard. You use the 4, 6, 2 and 8 button, for example, and with 4 and 6 you turn your object and the entire scene like that, and with 2 and 8 you rotate to see the bottom or the top as you like. If you want to zoom in, you press the plus button like that, and if you want to zoom out, the minus button like that. If you are like me, most of the time, maybe you just have in front of you a laptop without numpad on the keyboard and without mouse. I will show you that Blender has something for you to emulate the wheel of the mouse and to emulate a numpad. You go to User Preferences here, and then you select Input and you check Emulate 3-button mouse and Emulate numpad. In order to make Blender remember these two new options, you click on Save User Settings and you close the window. Now press Alt and the left button of your touchpad and just move a finger on the touchpad, and as you can see, it's really smooth and you can move your 3D view the way you want. To see the face you want, the bottom, the top, left, right, anything you want on your 3D view, you can access it and see it on the screen. To zoom in, zoom out, plus to zoom in, minus to zoom out, or 2 fingers on your touchpad. In one way you zoom in the other way to the top or to the bottom, it depends on the setting of your touchpad. You zoom in and zoom out, just like that. For the numpad, with every key from 1 to 0, you can have different options. For example, if you press 1, you go to front view. If you press 2, you rotate your 3D view in that way, and with 8 in the other way. If you press 4 and 6, you rotate your view like that. So you just have to play with your 1 to 0 and you will see all the options. And for example, with 3 you are on the right view, as you can see here. And if you press 0, you will have the camera view here, but it will be the object of another video later. And that's it for the navigation in Blender. For now, I thank you for your time and say you goodbye. See you. Bye bye.